Really do not like these. Hell yeah. Yep. 464. I got some new stuff. This is even more exciting, I think. Oh yeah. The underside of the car is cleaned up, and we got the polyurethane prothane bushings in the rear control arms. And actually on this end, I'm gonna do rubber. I have one there. I'm missing, had to order the other one. But these are going to go in right now. I have the left side in already. Went in fairly smoothly. And it's all flat black and it looks pretty good. Really do not like these bushings, how they have this separate tab off on the side. Hell yeah. 1 1/4 coil.
That's quite a bit though.
Yeah. Removing the door hinge pins was a lot of careful, patient work. I could not even imagine doing this if the doors were still installed on the car. But with a little fortitude, it can be done. Okay, I'm going to install new door pins. We got them removed. As you could see, it was quite a hassle. These, I believe, are Dorman. I think that is the...
Yeah, I just threw that away.
Oh. These pins come with bushings, 4 bushings. So this is good for one door. It comes with 4 bushings, 2 pins, and these pins also have nuts. Actually, they don't. This one's missing a nut.
Did it fall out?
I don't know. Where'd you open it?
Right here. Here's your part number.
It is a It is Dorman part 38464. It's for like a 1991 or 92 Ford E350. Found it on Rock Auto. I'm using just a little ball peen like hammer, and I will use, I believe, a brass drift. I don't think I need to on this side. That came in handy. Two pins, there should be 2 bolts, but we seem to be missing one.
Maybe the nut fell down inside the door.
Awesome. There we go.
When we flip the door, we'll see if we hear anything rattling around in there.
Okay. I contacted Rock Auto about the missing nut. They took care of it and sent me some new pins. They have excellent customer service. So that's it. These, I think, are going to be fantastic. They seem very snug, and that is what I want. Now to find the missing nut. I got some new stuff. Let's open this big tall one first. Oh no. I know. I just did. This is a big box.
It is.
Very big box. Holy cow. And it's greasy. So something's leaking.
That is a Ford part. Oh.
Oh yeah. Nice, brand spanking new. It's got bushings in it already.
Oh, nice. Did you already buy some?
But these aren't the right sleeves, because the sleeves on this are longer and they're kind of cone shaped.
Mm-hmm.
Did I what?
Did you buy bushings already?
I already did, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And these look polyurethane. We'll see.
Yeah.
And I did buy these lines. The only thing I didn't buy is I think there's a cooling piece that goes in front of the radiator or something.
Mm-hmm.
This is even more exciting, I think. Jeez. It's packaged well. Lots of paper packaging.
You ordered paper and boxes?
Lots of paper. Okay. Go. KYB. I think these are the quad shocks. KYB. I think these are the rear shocks. And KYB, I think these are the front shocks. Nice. Love me some stickers.
How many of those do you have now?
I have like, I don't know, 8 of them or something. What's in here? Yes. Nice. These are power steering lines.
Ah, that's a lot of them.
Copper washers, some clamps, looks like a reducer, maximum motor source, power steering kit.
What is it?
It's just all the lines and stuff for
Fancy.
so I won't be needing that for a while.
Looks expensive.
I forget how much that was, but I don't think it was like cheap. like these shocks. These shocks are cheap.
Right.
I think I paid under $300 for this whole set of shocks.
Let's try this.
And so I am happy about how little I spent on these shocks. We'll see how they perform and how they last.
Like I said, I was happy with mine.
Yeah,
We're still going strong.
yeah, that's nice to hear.